Alright, listen up, your engine isn't just getting old. It's sending you desperate SOS signals. That rough idle? The sluggish acceleration? The mystery check engine light that comes and goes? That's your engine begging for help. Here's the brutal truth most repair shops don't want you to know. 86% of dying engine diagnoses are completely wrong. People are flushing thousands down the drain on unnecessary parts swaps and overhauls, while ignoring the dirt cheap, 20-minute fixes that could have their engine purring like a kitten today. In this video, I'm blowing the lid off the auto repair industry. I'm giving you 10 battle-tested, mechanic-confessed secrets to bring your engine back from the brink. Forget Band-Aid solutions. We're going deep. Secret number 7 alone saved me $1,800 last year, and number 10? It's so stupidly simple, you'll kick yourself for not trying it first. Miss these steps? You're literally burning cash. Let's unleash that hidden power. Secret number 1. The bonehead test. They always skip this. Why? Because even seasoned mechanics get tunnel vision. Before you scan anything, before you buy anything, do this. Grab a flashlight. Check your oil level, right now. Sounds obvious? Over 30% of major engine failures start with low oil. Next, pop the oil fill cap while the engine's running briefly. Is there excessive smoke or pressure? Could indicate serious internal issues. Then, check your air filter. Is it clogged solid? This single part can strangle your engine's power by 40%. Finally, inspect your battery terminals. Corrosion is a silent killer, causing wild electrical gremlins. Clean them with baking soda water. This 5-minute check costs $0 and prevents expensive misdiagnosis. Secret number 2. Scan like a spy. Decode the real story. Okay, time to talk scanners. Plugging in a basic OBD2 reader and seeing P0301 cylinder 1 misfire is just the tip of the iceberg. You need to scan like a spy. Ditch the $20 code reader. Invest in a scanner that does live data streaming. You can check how much fuel your engine is trying to use. If it's using too little or too much, that's a big clue. You can also look at how your oxygen sensors are reacting. Are they slow or lazy? That's another sign something's wrong. Check how much air the engine is pulling in. If it's jumping around, that might mean a sensor is failing. And don't skip the freeze frame data. It shows what the engine was doing when the problem started. Was it at a stop? While driving? Cold engine? Hot engine? All of this tells you why the problem happened, not just what code came up. And knowing the why? That saves you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration. Secret number 3. The PCV Valve Revolution $5 Engine Saver. Buried deep in your engine valley is a $5 plastic part that destroys more engines than almost anything else. The PCV Positive Crankcase Ventilation Valve. This little guy vents harmful blow-by gases. When it clogs or fails, disaster. A stuck closed PCV valve pressurizes the crankcase, blowing out seals. Oil leaks everywhere. A stuck open PCV valve acts like a massive vacuum leak, causing rough idle, oil consumption, and sludge buildup that kills bearings. The fix? Locate it usually on the valve cover or intake manifold. Pull it out, shake it. Does it rattle freely? Good. Is it clogged solid or silent? Replace it immediately. Use OEM or high-quality aftermarket. This $5, 2-minute swap prevents $2,000 plus engine rebuilds. Secret number 4. Throttle body revival beyond basic cleaning. You've heard, clean your throttle body. But are you doing it right? Most DIYers just spray the plate and call it good. Big mistake. Disconnect the battery. Safety first. Remove the entire intake hose. Now, look inside the throttle bore, behind the plate. See that black, tar-like crud? That's the real performance killer. Use throttle body cleaner only. Remove the throttle body completely if possible. Soak a lint-free rag, not a shop towel, and meticulously wipe the bore walls, the plate edges, and the idle air control IAC passage, often neglected. Reinstall carefully. After reassembly, you might need an idle relearn procedure. Consult your manual. Often involves key cycles and specific pedal presses. This deep clean restores instant throttle response and cures erratic idle. Secret number 5. MAF Sensor, the silent assassin. Clean it right. Your mass airflow MAF sensor is the engine's air traffic controller. A dirty or faulty MAF sends your fuel mixture into chaos. Cleaning it seems simple, but get it wrong, you fry it. Use specific MAF sensor cleaner only. Brake cleaner, carb cleaner, WD-40, instant death for the delicate sensor wire. Unplug the electrical connector. Carefully remove the sensor, usually 2 screws. Do not touch the platinum hot wire. Finger oils burn onto it. Hold the sensor upside down. Spray short, controlled bursts through the intake passage, soaking the wires. Let it air dry completely, no wiping, no compressed air. Reinstall. A properly cleaned MAF restores power, MPG, and smoothness instantly. Secret number 6. Fuel injector rejuvenation. The $20 power surge. Clogged fuel injectors are like trying to breathe through a straw. Your engine gets weak, misfires, hesitates, and burns too much fuel. But before you replace them, at hundreds of dollars each, try this simple $20 fix. Step 1. Let your fuel tank run low. Step 2. Add a high-quality fuel system cleaner with polyethyramine. Look for it on the label. Best picks? Redline SI1, Techron Concentrate Plus, or Gumout Regain. Step 3. Fill the tank completely. Step 4. Drive with purpose. Don't baby the engine. Get it hot. Drive on the highway, hit a few hard pulls, and keep it under load. This heat helps the cleaner break down those stubborn deposits. One treatment can restore smooth spray patterns and power. If your injectors are really clogged, repeat next tank. It's cheap insurance for engine health. Secret number 7. The Italian tuneup. A science-backed engine therapy. This trick? Mechanics don't want you to know it. It's called the Italian tuneup, and no, it's not a myth. It's backed by science. If you only drive short trips, your engine suffers. It builds up moisture in the oil, fuel gets diluted, and carbon deposits choke performance. Here's what to do. Get the engine fully warmed up. On a safe stretch of road or highway, shift into a lower gear like 3rd gear at 55 to 60 miles per hour. Hold the engine at 3,000 to 4,000 revolutions per minute for about 10 to 15 minutes. Why? That steady heat burns off carbon buildup from pistons, rings, valves, even the catalytic converter. It also dries out the oil from water and fuel vapors. Do this every few months, and you'll feel the difference. But only do this if your engine is in good health and coolant oil levels are fine. Secret number 8. Ground wire revolution. The hidden electrical cure. Your car's electrical system depends on ground wires. When those grounding points corrode or weaken, strange issues begin. Issues most mechanics blame on sensors or modules. Watch for these symptoms. Flickering lights, slow starting, erratic idle, or random stalling. The fix? First, disconnect the battery's negative terminal. Locate your main ground points. Battery to chassis, engine to chassis, and transmission ground. Remove the cable. Scrub with sandpaper the contact areas until they're clean and shiny. Apply a thin layer of dielectric grease to prevent future corrosion. Reinstall tightly. This 5-minute job can solve electrical gremlins and even improve sensor readings. Secret number 9. The secret life of spark plugs. Most people just change spark plugs and throw the old ones away. But those plugs tell a full story of what's happening inside your engine. Normal plug. Light gray or tan color. Black and greasy. Oil fouled, possibly worn valve seals or rings. Wet. Engine flooding. Worn electrodes. Eroded electrodes. Broken electrodes. Broken off or flattened. Also, check the gap. Too wide can misfire, too narrow weakens spark. Reading your plugs gives you insights no scanner can. Secret number 10. The $20 Miracle Elixir. Want to stop oil leaks, silence ticking lifters, and extend engine life for just $20? Meet AT205 Reseal. This isn't a gimmick. It's a real elastomer conditioner that revitalizes hardened rubber seals from the inside. It works on valve stem seals, rear main seals, cam seals, and more. Here's how. Pour 1 bottle into your engine oil. Drive normally. In 100 to 200 miles, you may see leaks reduced or gone, lifters quieted, and smoother engine operation. It's not for blown seals, but for aging, dry ones, it can buy you years. That's it. 10 powerful secrets to bring your engine back to life. No hype, just real tools, science-backed tips, and smart habits. Imagine your car running smoother, stronger, more efficiently, and doing it without spending thousands. You've now got the blueprint. Save it, share it, use it,